Hi, my name's Dan Dempsey and I live in Central California. I decided to attend Drove Command Live because I was looking for a business that I could do and enjoy. Since I love flying radio controlled airplanes, this isn't too much of a stretch and I can earn a living while doing that. My biggest takeaway for today is learning that all businesses have frustrations and I can have a solution for them. What's so great about attending virtually is I can get up and move around, grab something real quick. I don't have the additions of travel expenses. And what would I say to others that are thinking about attending Drone Command Live? I'd say just quit thinking about it, do it, invest in yourself by attending. One of the most valuable lessons learned today is how to write empathy headlines in order to grab a prospective customer's attention. I would describe Damon and Diego as a couple of guys who are sharing their knowledge to show me how to build a dream business.